Hi everyone, this is your unit rate post assessment. Whenever you open this Google Doc, the first thing you need to do is write your first name, then your last name, and then click Miss Woods for your math teacher, and then press which class period do you have math. So I'm just going to say first, and then click Next. Number 1. Which ratio is equivalent to the given ratio? 3 miles, 6 minutes. 9/18 or 3/2. Number 2. Hometown Pizza made 120 pepperoni pizzas and 64 cheese pizzas in one day. What is the ratio of the number of cheese pizzas to pepperoni pizzas? Is it 60 to 30 or 64 to 120? Number 3. Write the ratio 18 out of 30 students as a fraction in simplest form. 1/2 or 3/5. Number 4. Biking burns 185 calories every 30 minutes. At this rate, how many calories will you burn in 3.5 hours? Is it 1,295 calories or 647.5 calories? Number 5. Darcy harvests 8 3/4 acres of corn every 5/6 of an hour. Darcy harvests corn at a constant rate. How many acres does she harvest per hour? Express your answer as a decimal. Is it B, 10.5 acres per hour, or C, 9.6 acres per hour? Number 6. Jude is training for a 5K race. On Saturday, he ran 3.1 miles in 30 minutes. What is his unit rate in miles per hour? Round to the nearest tenth. Is it 6.0 miles per hour or 6.2 miles per hour? Number 7. Lily is wanting to take gymnastics lessons. She contacted 4 different gyms and got their rates. Which is the best deal? At Competitive Edge, the cost is $156 for 16 hours. Louisville Gymnastics, the cost is $200 for 20 hours. Oldham County Gym is $142 for 15 hours. Or gym time is $88 for 6 hours. So which is the best deal? Is it Oldham County Gym or gym time? And then number 8. Braden and Alyssa work at 2 different grocery stores. Braden made $195 for working 20 hours, and Alyssa made $317.30 for 38 hours. Who makes more money per hour? Is it Braden, who makes more with $9.75 per hour, or Alyssa makes more with $9.75 per hour? Number 9. Drew scored 28 points in 5.56 minutes during a game of basketball. How many points did he average per minute? Is it A, 4 4/4 points per minute, or C, 5 24 points per minute? And then number 10. Abigail is buying new chairs to upgrade her restaurant. A set of 20 wooden chairs costs $450. A set of 50 metal chairs costs $1,237.5. How much more do the metal chairs cost per chair? Is it $2.25 more per chair or $15.75 more per chair? Once you have answered all 10 questions, I want you to click Send me a copy of my responses and then Submit. I didn't answer any of the questions, but if I did, it would tell me that my answers have been submitted, and then I know that I'm good to go. Once you all have done this test, you are good to go. Have a great day.